In the vibrant world of startups, collaboration and knowledge sharing are key to success. Today we take you on an exciting journey where representatives from the Slovenian startup ecosystem and the Norwegian startup ecosystem came together to share best practices. Over the course of several days, they shared their success stories, challenges, and strategies regarding youth and green startups of tomorrow. Powered by Norway grants and the Norwegian Embassy, this collaboration promises to spark innovation for further collaboration on common goals.
Norway is financing this EEA Norway grants, and watching and participating in things like this is really make me proud. People and organizations from Norway come together with the organizations from this country, Slovenia, and they really try to make something together.
First of all, we saw that they have already established a hub for AI and VR, and we learned that they are collaborating between each other very well, and this is good, a good point for starting also for us. Then we established also a new partnership, not only for us as an institution, but also for startups. So there is a lot of potentials for collaborating also between startups and talents between two countries.
Why we came to Slovenia was to talk more on green technology, and me coming from Pakistan, it's more important for me to, I guess, look at this technology as I haven't before. The world's pollution and the impact on the world, on the global warming and everything has a huge impact on Pakistan. So I think my role here is important, or me coming here was good and positive in order to learn more about green technology and Slovenia also.
I really love the energy here, and it was also really nice to meet quite many of your startups businesses and see the groups working together. And I think really you have a big potential because there's so much willingness. I also see if we manage to work more together and dig out the big goals, you can really run high.
A really good workshop. It was also we had valuable insights from abroad, which is sometimes missing when you work on daily tasks. So we got a really good perspective what the green is meaning for Nova Gorica and the whole region in the broader sense. So we have like green technologies, and on the other hand we have also high potential in green tourism and also green cultural events.
Join us on this exciting journey of discovery where the exchange of ideas knows no boundaries. Together, we can build a stronger, more connected, global green society.